Have you seen people using the teleport effect on TikTok and wondered how to get and use it yourself? In this video I'll be showing you how to use teleport on TikTok. Now let's get started. To easily find the teleport feature, first open TikTok app and log in your account. Tap on Discover at the bottom. In the search bar type in teleport. The effect should pop up at the top. Tap on teleport. You can add it to your favorites to easily find later. If you like to use the teleport effect, tap the camera icon at the bottom to begin making a new TikTok. Then you'll need to add the image you want to use as the background. Once you've teleported, tap on the plus sign above the effect menu. Select an image from your device's camera roll. After that, you can test out the teleport feature by raising your hand in view of the camera. The background will automatically change to the image you imported. Raise your hand again, change it back. Go ahead and record your TikTok with this fun teleport feature. Whether you're showing what celebrity you think you look like or teleporting to your dream travel destination. We hope this tutorial helps you out. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel.